Oh, and welcome to my kitchen. In a way, this is number level nine, Uncle Dan's Summer Games. We're somewhere in the middle of Montana. We're going to do something super easy for this edition of Uncle Dan's Summer Games. This is something you could do in not just your kitchen, not your mom's kitchen. You could do it even in a camper kitchen. This is Uncle Dan's Shake and Baked Macaroni and Cheese. So we're going to start with the Shake and Bake, Ricky Bobby style. This is the Shake and Bake Extra Crispy. I used 2 servings of it, not just 1, 2. Put it in your shake and bake bag. I got a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. I got a 1/2 cup of Cougar Gold white cheddar cheese, bacon. Oh, we'll get to that in just a little bit. And of course, Uncle Dan's creamy ranch. We're gonna put this all into one big old pile of deliciousness. This is a tablespoon of Uncle Dan's creamy ranch. Drop that into your shake and bake packet. It's shake and bake, and I help. This is your 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. This is a 1/2 cup of Cougar Gold white cheddar cheese. And then, of course, just like in the commercials, you gotta shake it. Shake it like a salt shaker. Or in this case, shake it like a ranch shaker. Also, what I did, we'll set this aside. This is the Kraft Macaroni and Cheese Deluxe White Cheddar Garlic and Herb. White Cheddar Delicious, Garlic and Herb. Got rid of that. Mix up your basic setup. You get your noodles, you put the cheese together, get all the straining all said and done. Also, we have ourselves about 6 strips of bacon. This is some of the bacon grease. Yeah, we're using bacon grease. Take that, Roadhouse. Get yourself, this is a 9 by 9 inch pan. Your cooked down macaroni and cheese just goes right on top of the cheese already inside. At this time, too, you're going to want to take your oven 350 degrees. Get it nice and preheated for you. Spread that beast around, take your bacon, put it right on top because, well, bacon is good and stuff. You will use nearly the entire bag of this Shake and Bake Extra Crispy with the Uncle Dan's, also with the Parmesan cheese and the Cougar Gold white cheddar cheese. Spread it all around. And in case you're asking, you're like, oh, Bond, you didn't wash your damn hands. Yeah, I did. Trust me. We're out in the middle of the desert, or middle of Montana. You gotta be washing your hands. We got our new setup. We got our one that's already pre-cooked, boom one, and the other one, Denver Broncos #1 fan. Careful, this is actually very, very, very hot. After 15 minutes, whoosh! You got a cooked down Uncle Dan's Shake and Bake. Now, again, this is the extra crispy with the Uncle Dan's mixed already in. This stuff, I haven't even tried this yet. I'm really looking forward to this. I grew up on macaroni and cheese. Oh, son, that's hot. Wow. Hello, Pizza Burn. I like the extra crispiness. That's why I use 2 packs of the Shake and Bake. You want to do one yourself? It's whatever you want. It's whatever you like to do. All with Uncle Dan's salad dressings, dips, and seasonings. Don't forget. All thanks to Uncle Dan's salad dressings, dips, and seasonings, episode number 9.